FitLab PGH back with the movement tip lifestyle hack. We've done quite a few movement tips about footwear, making sure you have shoes that fit. And one of the things I've talked about before is the fact that with recommendations from Sam Wood and Dr. McClanahan of Correct Toes, I've started using Correct Toes, and I found a pair of trail shoes. The brand doesn't matter, but I wore them last year on more technical trails. Dogs are starting to run a little bit more. I went to put them on and I found out they didn't fit. So my feet have gotten about a half size bigger. And the rule of my house is one pair of shoes out, so these are out, and a new pair of Ultra Superiors in. So wear shoes that fit, recognize that your foot size may change as you run more or as your body adapts. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from the Labradors of FitLab PGH.